Hello, my lovely English learner. As you can see that I have come back to my home from school, and today I'm gonna make my another blog video with you. So I hope that you will definitely enjoy this video, and also in this video I'm gonna share something very exciting, not about me, about my students. Means from tomorrow they are going to get holiday, so they just got so much excited and they started shouting in the excitement, and they started sharing about one another, planning like where they want to go in summer vacation. So I also asked to some of my students, like, where do you plan to go in summer vacation? So some students want to go Dubai, some students want to go Bangalore, and means they all have already planned to go somewhere like this, and they were feeling so much happy and excited after getting the news of summer vacation. One thing, my husband is planning to go to Raebareli in summer vacation, and he is also insisting me to go to come with him. And my son is, guys, because mostly kids always they are excited to go anywhere, so in summer vacation. And if I talk about my son, so my son is just saying like, mama, please just let's go anywhere, let's visit. So I said, where do you want to go? So he said, I don't know where, but anywhere, but let's go, because I want to visit. As you can see that I'm facing problem by holding my mobile in my hand. I don't know why. If I'm trying to make myself a video like this, so I'm facing problem. As you can see, my husband, he is sitting here, and why are you should cover your banyan, don't you think? This is not good habit to show your banyan like this to my audience. So Gudiya, come here. As you can see, guys, that Gudiya has also returned from her school, and Gudiya, so okay, Gudiya, so today I have a great question for you. Are you feeling happy? Just because I know that you have already got summer vacation.
Yes.
Okay, so tell me about your feeling. How much happy you are? Means, are you feeling so much happy and excited?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so just answer my question only. Where do you want to go in your summer vacation?
Ma'am.
At your home?
Yes.
Okay. So, don't you want to go to any specific place?
No.
Okay, no. So, for you, what is the most beautiful place in this world? Your home, obviously?
Yes.
Your village? Okay, Gudiya. So, have you planned to go to your village in your summer vacation?
Yes.
That's great. You are answering only yes or no. So, Gudiya, just better go and take your lunch, because I am wasting your time. Go and take your lunch, okay?
Yes.
Because you have. So, guys, you can see Gudiya has just returned from her school. And if I talk about the weather today, so today is a little bit. Comfortable, little bit okay weather. And guys, before today, the weather was so much scorching. It's sweltering, it's boiling, it's like, what to say, it's very hot at my place. But today itself, it's also hot, but not so much, because the wind is blowing very fast, and what to say, a strong wind is blowing. That's why the weather is a little bit cooler than earlier. But yes, guys, you can see that you can see the condition of my hair, that my hair has been tangled a lot due to this strong wind. And in my school also, wind was blowing very fast, and oh my god, it's amazing. So my dear friends, so please let me know in the comment box that if you are a student and if you are a teacher, so where do you want to go in your summer vacation? And if you have already planned to go anywhere, so also let me know, because I am not going anywhere, and maybe I will go Raebareli to my sister-in-law place. So I will let you know if I go there. So definitely I will upload my video, I will make my video from there. And if you are going to any specific or particular place, so please let me know. I will be enjoying your summer vacation journey. Okay, so my dear friend, today itself, after returning from my school, I just had a session, second time I can say, with one of person on through team application. And that person is also was beginner and learner just like us. So he was just expressing a problem, and it is a common problem, guys. I think you must be also facing this problem if you are learner and a beginner in English, you know. And the problem, his problem was like he was telling that, ma'am, I am always able to understand each and everyone and English, and whenever I'm listening something, I'm watching someone, so I'm always just able to understand all the things in English, but when it comes to speak, so that time I'm feeling like words are not coming, sentences are not coming out of my mouth. So I said, okay, no need to take tension about it, because this is the common problem, and not only you, means all the learners and beginners are facing the same problem. Okay, so like this. So I thought, okay, so guys, you know why we are facing this problem. And he was also telling like, ma'am, I'm having lots of English stuff in my heart, in my mind, I'm just thinking like this, and why I'm not able to take all the things out of my mouth. So I said, okay, if you feel like that you are having lots of English stuff, lots of English sentences, and means in your mind, in your heart, but you are not able to take all those things out, so it is just because of lack of practice, and practice, speaking practice, just because you must not be speaking a lot. So he said, yes, ma'am, I'm not using, but nowadays I'm focusing so much on speaking. So I said, yes, if nowadays you are focusing so much on speaking, so you are doing great in your life. And if you once start focusing on your speaking, so definitely, guys, very soon you are gonna get very good result in your English speaking, like this. So what do you think, guys? I think I have suggested vital things to that person, and definitely he will follow all the things, and if he follow, so he will see the good response also. So my dear friend, if you are also the one who is feeling the same problem, so please don't feel anymore, just start speaking as much as possible for you, and don't think before speaking like what to speak, what to not. Just whatever coming in your mind, just speak randomly, right or wrong, don't take tension, but speak. If you once open your mouth for English speaking, so very soon you will find lots of sentences and lots of things automatically they will come from your mouth. And you know, if I talk about some of my friends from my surroundings, so they are also just sharing the same thing, means they are also having lots of things, and they are able to know all the rule regulation of grammar, about tenses, about active and passive, means all the rule and regulation. If you start asking one by one, so they will able to give answer properly. But when it comes to speak randomly, so that time they start thinking about rule regulation. So in my initial day, I was also doing the same, but nowadays, look, I'm not doing this. Sometime I'm doing, and mostly I'm doing this thing only in conditional type sentence, under conditional, like अगर मैं नहीं सीखी, मैं बोलना शुरू नहीं की होती, तो मैं कैसे सीख पाती, दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस. इफ आई हैडंट started my English journey, speaking journey, so how would I have learnt this confidence and this fluency in English? So like this, I think I'm correct here. So sometimes I'm getting stuck, and I'm just thinking on these type of sentences. But you know, if I talk about tenses and active as passive as, so I'm not thinking so much, because I know very well about rules regulation, and earlier I was facing a lot of problems. So why? Because earlier I was not practicing English speaking, but nowadays I'm practicing, and nowadays I'm not practicing only for my channel for getting good viewers and subscriber. Nowadays if I talk, so I'm not getting good viewer, but also I'm not taking tension. I'm feeling so much happy and content, just because nowadays, guys, I have achieved the greatest thing in my life. I'm speaking to you like this, without any preparation, without thinking anything, and also despite having so much tiredness inside me, but still I'm talking just because I'm very passionate, I'm crazy about English speaking. So if you also want to speak English and learn fluency, if you also want to get fluency in English, so you have to be crazy for it, like me. My dear friends, if you once be crazy, so definitely you will achieve your goal, your fluency very soon. And also yesterday I talked to Sher Singh sir from Haryana, and when I had a session with the very first time with Singh through team application. Means I had taken session with him many times, but on Skype. But ever since Skype has been shut down, so I had taken my first session yesterday itself with him. Okay, so at his place, weather was very fantastic. Okay, so let it be, guys. I was telling that he just complimented me by this sentence, like, ma'am, you are very crazy and passionate about English, and I personally realized this thing. So it was a great compliment for me, and always it will be a great compliment for me. But guys, I also want to say his sentence to you, that if means everything is easy if you are crazy, and nothing is easy if you are lazy. So this is a sentence which I heard from Singh sir, and it's very fantastic and fantabulous sentence. So if you really want to get good result in your English, so you have to follow this thing. You have to be crazy for your English. You have not to be lazy. Okay, so make your English easy and be crazy. With this beautiful hope, let me say bye bye, my dear friends.